Hey, I'm Julie Sohn, Communications Director here at Hill Unitef Methodist Church. We had Ian come to visit, like he visited everybody, and usually we're a very welcoming church, but he came and left us some presents. We have about 4 or 5 inches of rain that we got that came through our walls into our basement area, which is our chapel, our Sunday school classrooms, our fellowship hall, our kitchen. So we got about 4 inches, 4 to 5 inches of rain down here. So we have been sweeping it out. People have been coming by with squeegees and mops and shop vacs, and we're trying to get Ian to leave us alone and get our water out. So that's what's going on here at Hill Unitef Methodist Church.